Bonjour class, this is the presentation on the grammar notes, which are French accents. Les accents are symbols that you will see over or under letters in French words. It is very important that you use accents correctly. The meaning of a word can change if an accent is left off or placed over the wrong letter. Accent aigu. Going from left to right, this accent is a line that goes up. It is found only over the letter E. It makes the letter E sound like an A, as in the word way. To type accent aigu in a Word document, hold down the Control button, then hit the key pictured once, and then hit the E key once. You see the accent aigu in the word enchanté, which means pleased to meet you. Accent grave. Going from left to right, the accent goes down. When it is found over the letter E, it makes the sound go down. When it is found over an A or U, it is used to differentiate between two words that would otherwise be spelled the same. To type the accent grave over a letter in a Word document, hold down the Control button, then hit the key pictured once, and then the E key or whatever other letter you would like the accent to go over once. Here are some examples of words that have accent grave. You see in the word father, the accent grave is over the E, and it makes the sound go down. Père. Père. You hear how the tone of your voice goes down. In the next two examples, the accent grave differentiates between these two words that otherwise would be spelled the same. The accent shows you which meaning the word is taking. So, ou without the accent means or. Ou with the accent means where. Cédia. This accent is found under the letter C. Okay, and you see the cédia at the top. It makes the C sound like S. To type cédia in a Word document, hold down the Control button, then hit the comma key once, and then the C key once. For example, the word for French is français, and you see the cédia in this word. Notice that it sounds like an S, français. Accent circonflexe. It looks like the top of an arrow. Okay, this accent can appear over any vowel. It does not change the pronunciation. It is often found where an S used to be in the word, and over time the language evolved and the S is no longer found in the word. Often the S still exists in the English version of the word. For example, l'hôpital, the hospital. L'hôtel, the hotel. La forêt, the forest. To type circonflexe in a Word document, hold down the Control button, then hit the key pictured once, and the letter you would like the accent to appear over once. Tréma. Tréma looks like two dots that are next to each other. This accent can appear over any vowel. It is used when there are two vowels next to each other to show you that both vowels should be pronounced. It appears over the second vowel. For example, the word for Christmas is Noël. You hear the O and the And in naïve, which means naive or gullible in English, you hear the A and the E sound. To type tréma in a Word document, hold down the Control button, then hit the key pictured once, and the letter you would like the accent to appear over once. Okay, the symbols that are used in email addresses, the @ symbol, in French is called arrobas. The dot or period is pronounced point. So for example, to ask what is your email address, you would ask, quelle est ton adresse email? And to say it's, you would say say. C''est is pronounced say. Okay, so and this is how I would spell out my email address in French. A N G E L A point B E R G E R arrobas P A D I S T A N C E point O R G. Okay, you may also need to type accents in online text boxes. So follow these steps when typing in an online text box or in a text box on an online quiz or assessment. So look in the font controls above the online text box and you will see a button that looks like the picture. Click on that button. Next, you will see additional options, one being the omega symbol. Okay, click on that symbol. It will open up the special character menu, which is a list of letters with accents over them. You will need to scroll through the menu until you find the correct letter with the accent over it. Once you find it, simply click on it, and it will then appear in the online text box you've been typing in. Again, you can use the same method to type in quizzes and assessments. Okay, avez des questions? If you find that you have any questions or trouble with this material, you can email me or call me at the number listed below.